आपका एक्सपीरियंस कि कैसा इंटरव्यू गया?
सर इट स्टार्टेड ऑफ वेल आई थिंक बाय द एंड दो चीजों पे काम करने की जरूरत लगी मुझे. फर्स्ट वर द क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड विद इकोनॉमिक्स विद फॉरेस्ट. तो वो आई हैव टू रीड मोर. And secondly, I thought that I was fumbling more towards the end. So that is certainly something I'll have to take care.
सर प्लीज.
So, hello, Aman.
Yes, sir.
Fortunately, we interacted almost a year before,
Yes, sir.
somewhat like this mock interview, and I can recall from that mock that that time you were like much more energetic and smiling throughout your interview. I don't know today, maybe it was very tough day or tiring day for you, but whole interview you were appearing very tired and disinterested. I don't know
Okay,
why.
sir.
So, but see, you are now smiling now.
Right,
So,
sir.
but during all those questions, either you were answering them or you were saying, "Sorry, I don't remember." That smile was totally missing, which I guess a very important,
Yes, sir.
trait. And then also I realize that there are, some very simple and basic thing expected from an IFS aspirant, that what kind of floral and faunal diversity his state or his area
Right, sir.
has. And
Right, sir.
so your knowledge about forest of Madhya Pradesh need to be brushed up. So
All right, sir.
when somebody asks about 5 trees, so from teak you ultimately landed to khair and babool and palash. So it's expected you will speak about the trees which has more economic
Right, sir.
importance. So maybe
Maua.
sal or mahua or something like that.
Right, sir.
Uh, so this is one thing. So I think kindly read more about the forest and wildlife and the all the initiative of Forest Department Madhya Pradesh in
Right,
past
sir.
5-6 years, and also because you have such a strong Rajasthan connection. So similarly for the Rajasthan, because again
Right,
Tiger
sir.
Introduction Program, somebody may ask you compare the Sariska with the Panna or
Right,
something
sir.
like तो वो एक है. And then also you did blunder when explaining the difference between a gaur and wild buffalo. So wild buffalo is, or the water buffalo as commonly known as, is a wild species,
Right,
and
sir.
in Madhya Pradesh too, it's now almost not almost, it is extinct. But in Chhattisgarh it is found, but mostly in Assam and those Tarai area
Okay,
it
sir.
is found. And gaur is also a bovid species, but gaur is more close to cow, and wild
Okay, sir.
buffalo is more close to the buffalo. So they are two
Right, sir.
different species. And, also because your subject is forestry, so I think when Chit is asked about when we'll stop felling the trees, something like that. So one important reason why we fell tree is to induce the regeneration.
Right, sir.
Okay, in one of the answer you said the bench from a wood or the steel, which one would be better? So you categorically said ki if it is not coming from the natural forest, there is no harm in cutting tree from the natural forest,
Right,
given
sir.
it is silviculturally done.
Right, sir.
So there is something called working plan. There are
Right, sir.
silviculturally tested principle which are approved by expert panel and CEC and everybody. So if there is anything happening inside the natural forest with all this considering the silviculture principle, it is also very good because it is
Right, sir.
helping forest to rejuvenate.
Right, sir. Right,
Yeah.
sir.
So these are the few observation of mine. Kshitij, you and Siddharth, please you may add your observations, please.
Aman, I feel like going through your DAF, you have given multiple times this civil services, so you are very serious about it. But
Right, sir.
what my experience has been from 2016 to 2019, I gave various interviews at UPSC. So they are very, very serious about DAF. In DAF,
Right, sir.
each and every word. Even I was asked for 10 minutes on the word union with context
Right,
to polity. So,
right, sir.
whatever is printed on the DAF, each and every word you should be thorough. What I suggest is, in our time, there was this taking a word and making a tree around it. Like, what are the different questions that can arise from that word?
Right, sir.
So why don't you take each and every word that you have written, starting from historical places, watching documentaries, Rajasthan, bits, and all those, each and every word, you should be able to draw 10 questions and you should prepare for all those answers.
Right,
And
sir.
while you're answering, what we noticed is if you know something, you will immediately jump and speak 1 minute, 2 minutes about it. If you don't know something, in some of the questions which Mayank asked, you said, I don't remember. It doesn't look polite. You cannot be
Yes.
responding immediately, instantaneously. That means you're
Right.
not even giving time to think. While when Kshitiz asked one question, you said, Ki, give me a moment. So it is better to ask for a moment, at least try, and then if you're not knowing something, give some different excuse or in
Right,
some
sir.
other words. If you
Right,
say
sir.
for all those answers which you don't know, I don't remember it, it will not be very polite, number one.
Right, sir.
Number two, those things which you're not sure, it is better not to say and limit your answer. The interviewer are wise enough to understand you're not comfortable, they will automatically move to next answer. For example, Mayank asked about NGT.
Right,
And
sir.
you, rather than saying what all comes under it, you emphatically said that FCA doesn't come under it. While
Right,
the
sir.
largest number of cases which comes in the newspaper and all the Tiger Reserve and everything which is
Right,
highlighted
sir.
is because of the
Right, sir.
FCA cases that go to NGT and the kind of changes they do in the CA schemes
Right,
and
sir.
wildlife mitigation schemes.
Right, sir.
Then still on the holistic scale, I would say that you are a son of civil servant, so the expectations will be higher in the board.
Right, sir.
And when the question is about why IFS, I appreciate your honesty that you came to a point and you said that you will rank IFS just after IAS. So you should
Right, sir.
also be prepared and go give those answers which are practically acceptable and logically supported. So
Right, sir.
I would say that better if you do less number of mocks, it is not a issue. But you do a more thorough preparation for each and everything. The way you have a confidence while going for prelims and after coming out that yes, I'll clear it. The kind of
Right.
confidence you have when you have given a good means and you know that you'll clear it. The same
Right, sir.
kind of confidence will come if you prepare very, very thoroughly for each and every point, at least in your DAF that is there. If something it
Right, sir.
is very much out of the box, there will be three people or four in the forest interview. There will be a chairman, there will be a person who is a retired forester or very much connected to forestry. There will be one person who will be assessing your overall personality and psychology and general knowledge.
Yes.
So accordingly, you have to be prepared, and that preparation will add to the confidence, your calm and composure, and also the way you respond to things. I will always suggest in UPSC interview, you should never react to any answer. You should always respond to every answer. They will definitely feel key you have a lot of seriousness for it. And you should be able to also show and build your profile that you are inclined towards forest service. It doesn't matter finally whether you join or not, but if you give an
Right, sir.
impression that you have lots of option and forest is one of them, then automatically the marks will go down.
Right, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Aman,
Yes, sir.
one of the panelists asked you about why you wanted to join the services. इसमें यार, I believe, let's say a businessman's son or a corporate job पेरेंट्स हैं जिनके पेरेंट्स के पास कॉर्पोरेट जॉब है, उनका बेटा या बेटी इस आंसर को रिप्लाई करेगा तो a practical answer may be justified. But for you, you would have had lived experiences in your home. Okay, your father or your, I think your father is a civil servant. So
Yes.
he would have had multitude of experiences as to, और उनका आपने देखा होगा कि कैसे पब्लिक सर्विस पूरे जिंदगी उन्होंने की, और
Right.
एज ए सिंस अ वेरी इम्प्रेशनेबल एज आपके मन में आया होगा कि यार
मैं सिर्फ पब्लिक सर्विस करूंगा. आई एम अज्यूमिंग वो आया होगा बिकॉज यू आर फ्रॉम अ decent college and have had multiple opportunities, so you are doing this by choice, not by
Yes, sir.
compulsion. So I would search for that basically conviction in your answer.
Right, sir.
ठीक है. This was one question,
Okay.
why IFS or why All India Services.
हाँ,
It used to bother me in my interview days as well. तो मैं हमेशा इसी बारे में ही सोचता रहता था. One
हाँ,
exercise that I used to do was to stand in front of a mirror and convince myself that I want to join in service.
right,
Because you can fake anyone, but you cannot fake yourself. ठीक है.
right, sir.
To look into the mirror, answer as to why you want to join services, and you will understand when you are convinced. ठीक है.
Yes,
That
sir.
is just a gimmick that I used to do, but
Yes.
I think it may help you. फिर देखिए, don't throw around words. जैसे कि आपसे एनपीवी के बारे में पूछा, कैंपा बीच में आपने थ्रो किया, सुप्रीम कोर्ट्स कैंपा जजमेंट. देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड कैंपा जजमेंट. ठीक है. देयर आर, लेट्स से गोदावरमन वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. जब आप व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दीस थिंग्स, दीज रेस्पेक्टेबल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, एंड कैंपा से आपका फुल फॉर्म पूछा गया तो आप कंपनसेटरी एफॉरेस्टेशन फंड पे रुक गए. कैंपा का फुल फॉर्म, देयर इज एम पी एंड ए आल्सो इन दैट.
Right,
तो
sir.
क्यों है वो? क्योंकि उसके शब्द हैं. तो my advice would be to not throw around words, नहीं तो आप उसमें फंस जाओगे.
Right,
ठीक है.
sir.
जैसे I am asking you about, see, this is a interview about you joining forest services, not you writing let's say an entrance for Goldman Sachs or for any investment banking firm. तो आपसे अगर ग्लोबल फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस के बारे में पूछा जा रहा है तो you tell me about it in a way, let's say आप किसी लेमैन को बताएंगे. ठीक है.
Right, sir.
क्रेडिट डिफॉल्ट स्वैप्स आपने बोला, उस पे पूरा इंटरव्यू आपका उस पे ही निकल जाएगा. ठीक है. या फिर
Right, sir.
वो किसी को कुछ एज इन कुछ पूछना हुआ उसमें, तो आप गलत जगह फंस जाओगे. ठीक है ना.
Right,
तो मे बी रिस्ट्रिक्ट योरसेल्फ, 2-4 कीवर्ड बोल के एंड आसान भाषा में समझाने की कोशिश कीजिए. ठीक है.
right, sir.
एंड पर्टिकुलरली कुछ चीजें जैसे यू बी क्रिस्प एंड डोंट, माय आइडिया इज टू नॉट दैट यू शुड नॉट एलैबोरेट अननेसेसरली. कई बार आपको रोकना भी पड़ा था कि यू बी वेरी ब्रीफ. आई गिव यू सम डिस्क्लेमर्स आल्सो, मे बी कीप दैट इन माइंड. फिर एज योर सीनियर फ्रॉम द सेम कॉलेज, मतलब मुझे लगा कि आपको पता होना चाहिए था योर मोटो. I was told कि मेरे से पहले पूछा भी गया था आपसे.
Yes, sir.
So I repeated that. But then I also know why you said innovate, achieve and lead, because that is very prominently displayed in the college. Anyways, but you could link it to public services in a very holistic manner. आपने कर्मयोगी तो बोला, but कर्मयोगी was a very good keyword जो कि आपको शुरू में ही बोल देना चाहिए था, if you knew it.
Right, sir.
ठीक है. You could link lateral entry. ये भी बता सकते थे आप कि अब पब्लिक सर्विस वैसी नहीं रह गई है कि हम आइवरी टावर में ऊपर बैठे हैं. We have to prove ourselves. We have to be outcome oriented and something like that. And जहां तक आपका this wood is good वाला जो what I asked you was, I tried to nudge you many times कि आप basically you could have elaborated a lot more. And invasive alien species के बारे में I had to point it out to you. उसके बाद regeneration जैसे सर ने बताया. And इसमें एक there is a pitfall to it. I was actually, this is a very famous debate कि steel versus wood, which is a better material.
Yes, sir.
तो prima facie wood is recyclable. Not recyclable, I mean to say wood is a renewable resource. तो that seems to be good. And steel में production में पानी यूज होता है. It's a carbon footprint है उसका. But then steel is a highly recyclable material.
Right.
So you have to categorically say कि मेरी जो wood है has to be enough checks and balances होने चाहिए कि वो ऐसी जगह से आई है जहाँ के सस्टेनेबल हार्वेस्ट हुआ है, या उसका कोई ऐसा सर्टिफिकेशन मैकेनिज्म है कि उसमें से कार्बन जो है वो एस्केप नहीं कर रहा है, या फिर इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अ बोनाफाइड सोर्स.
Right.
And you, while saying that we should go for renewable materials, you should also say that steel is also a recyclable material.
Right.
ठीक है. That will show your technical competence as well, because you are a student of engineering and science.
Right, sir.
ठीक है. एंड फाइनली एक जगह जो मुझे एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा आई फील दैट यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट इज योर नॉलेज ऑन इकोनॉमिक्स एंड फाइनेंस when it is coupled with environment and forest,
Right.
because आपके DAC में इतनी जगह ये सब लिखा हुआ है कि I feel you don't have much to hide in that
Right,
aspect.
sir.
तो
Right.
you can expect those questions. बाकी it was a decent interview to me, and थोड़ा आप in your demeanor maybe you be a bit more smiling personality.
Yes, sir.
So I
Yes, sir.
think you'll sail through.
Thank you, sir.
That's it from my side, and all the best to you.
Thank you, sir.
So all right, Aman, like these were the like
Yes,
all
sir.
the suggestion, right? मैं sum up करने के लिए बस ये बोलना चाह रहा था कि like you are a very good candidate, ठीक है, इसलिए आप बार-बार यूपीएससी का दरवाजा खटखटा रहे हो इन सिविल्स इन फॉरेस्ट 3 साल से,
Yes,
राइट?
sir.
सो इस बार लाइक एक तो जो एंथुसियाज्म मिसिंग है जो पिछले 2 साल था, तो ट्राई टू ब्रिंग जो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट वाला एंथुसियाज्म था, ठीक है? आई
Right,
रिमेंबर
sir.
आप बहुत ही मैंने बोला भी था कि थोड़ा स्लो बोलो, बहुत तेज जा रहे हो।
Right, sir.
जस्ट कोशिश करो कि वो जो 2 ढाई साल में इतना मेहनत किया है, पढ़ा है, उसके
Right,
बोझ
sir.
में ऐसा लग रहा है कि डलनेस आ गई है, तो उसको हटाओ।
Right, sir.
बाकी कट द नॉइस, अभी जो भी एंग्जाइटी चल रही है दिमाग में, रिजल्ट आ रहा है, अगले 10-12 दिन 15 दिन पूरा फोकस फॉरेस्ट इंटरव्यू को दो, ठीक है?
Right,
मतलब
sir.
मेहनत कर लो, तो बहुत अच्छा चांस है, पार हो जाओगे। सीट्स भी बहुत ज्यादा है, 150
Right,
है इस
sir.
बार, राइट? तो ये कर
Right,
लो।
sir.
और बाकी एक लास्ट चीज की, ये इंटरव्यू अभी तक मैंने इतना लंबा इंटरव्यू नहीं लिया किसी का, तो लाइक 3 वेरी एक्सपीरियंस्ड आईएफएस ऑफिसर ने आपको इतना
Right.
फॉर्डर दे दिया है, ठीक है? 1.5 सवा घंटे का इंटरव्यू हो गया है, तो
Right,
दो
sir.
दो ढाई इंटरव्यू बराबर, तो इसी पे वर्क करो, राइट? ज्यादा मॉक इधर उधर जाने की जरूरत भी नहीं
Right,
लगती
sir.
है। जो सब बोला ना, डिटेल में जाओ, जैसे सिद्धार्थ ने बोला है,
Right,
जितने भी उनको प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो, तो इसी से शुरू
right,
करो।
sir.
आई विल शेयर द रिकॉर्डिंग टुनाइट इटसेल्फ। आप 10-12 दिन
Yes,
बिल्कुल
sir.
लग के ना रन के करो, ताकि यू गेट अक्रॉस दिस टाइम, राइट?
Right, sir. Yes, sir.
तो
And you may take my contact detail from Mayank. I guess मेरे
Yes,
पास
sir.
last time का भी होगा. And if you need any help about the wildlife and forest in Madhya Pradesh, I'm there to help. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir. Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
चलो फिर लग जाओ ना, इस बार पार ही होना है। 10-12 दिन पूरा फोकस
Yes,
से
sir.
करो। चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट।
Okay.
Okay, sir.
All the
Okay,
best.
sir.
All the
Thank you.
best.